In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of QuickBooks, one of the most widely used accounting and bookkeeping tools for small business owners, freelancers, and teams, so you can understand what it actually does, how it feels in daily use, and whether it's worth using for your business finances. QuickBooks is designed to be a central home for your business money management. Unlike a simple invoicing app that only sends bills, QuickBooks handles invoices, expenses, bank reconciliation, payroll add-ons, taxes, and financial reports all in one system. This means instead of juggling spreadsheets, notes, and separate tools for each task, QuickBooks keeps your business numbers in a single connected place. Right from the start, you'll notice that QuickBooks gives you a dashboard that shows your financial picture at a glance. You see income, expenses, cash flow, invoices owed, and recent activity. For many business owners, this high-level view saves time and helps you understand your money situation without having to build custom spreadsheets. That clarity alone is a big reason businesses switch to QuickBooks. It turns scattered financial data into insight you can act on. Invoicing and billing are some of QuickBooks' core strengths. You can create professional invoices with your business logo, customize payment terms, and send them directly to clients. Once invoices are sent, QuickBooks can track who is paid and who hasn't, and even send reminders automatically so you spend less time chasing payments. For many small businesses and freelancers, this feature streamlines cash flow and reduces the manual admin work around billing. Expense tracking is another area where QuickBooks helps you stay organized. You can connect your bank account directly or upload receipts manually, categorize expenses, and see exactly where your money is going each month. This also makes things easier when tax time comes, since your records are already organized rather than scattered across apps or sticky notes. One feature many users appreciate is bank reconciliation. QuickBooks automatically imports transactions and suggests matches to invoices or expenses, and you simply confirm whether the matches are correct. This reduces manual entry errors and ensures your books stay accurate without hours of bookkeeping work each week. If your business has employees, QuickBooks also offers payroll support, sometimes as an add-on depending on your plan. It helps you calculate wages, handle tax, withholdings, generate pay slips, and, in many regions, manage payroll compliance. This can be a game-changer for small businesses that don't have dedicated payroll specialists but still need reliable payroll processing. On the reporting side, QuickBooks gives you ready-made financial reports like profit and loss, balance sheets, cash flow statements, and tax summaries so you can understand your business performance at a deeper level. This is useful not just for your own insight, but also if you're preparing for meetings with accountants, investors, or tax professionals. That said, QuickBooks isn't perfect for everyone. One common downside is its learning curve. Because QuickBooks covers so many different financial functions, it can feel overwhelming at first, especially if you've never used accounting software before. Setting up accounts, categories, tax settings, and preferences takes time, and mistakes during setup can make initial reports look confusing until everything is corrected. Another consideration is cost. QuickBooks tends to be more expensive than very simple invoicing tools, especially once you add payroll or multiple user access. For very small or simple businesses that only need basic invoicing, the full QuickBooks experience may feel like more than required, and cheaper alternatives can feel lighter and easier for those specific use cases. Some users also mention that the interface, while powerful, can feel busy, especially if you only use a handful of features. This contrasts with apps that focus purely on one thing like invoicing or expense tracking, where everything is stripped down to the essentials. With QuickBooks, the trade-off for all-in-one capability is that the interface isn't always as minimalist. So who is QuickBooks best for? It tends to work extremely well if you have regular invoices and expenses to track, want an integrated cash flow and bookkeeping system, need bank reconciliation and financial reporting, run a business with employees or freelancers you pay via payroll, value having all your business finances in one place. QuickBooks may feel less ideal if you only need very basic invoicing, are a solo freelancer with simple finances, prefer a super lightweight, minimal tool focused on just one task. Overall, QuickBooks is one of the most comprehensive small business accounting tools available. It brings invoicing, expenses, cash flow, payroll, and reporting together in a connected way that reduces manual work and gives you clarity over your finances. For many small and medium businesses, that combination of features and insight makes QuickBooks worth the investment, especially as your business grows and your financial needs become more complex. Let me know in the comments if you've tried QuickBooks or are considering switching to it. If this review helped you out, Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.